morning. I am Cheryl Araula. I am a 7-year teacher in DepEd. And I recently received my approved student visa for New Zealand. Before I started my application sa Enlight, my biggest worry was really about my budget. I think it's very common to all applicants, especially for the tuition fees and show money. I was, since my savings were not enough on that time pa, so I was also afraid my visa might get denied, which I also learned that from other applicants that I read from the comments on Facebook. So, but I trusted my instinct and God that if I was stayed focused sa akong goal, maybe mulahi na gaway ako ang journey compared to other applicants, because I will not believe simply on their comments there sa Facebook. Ay sometimes naman ko yung mga comments yung nega kaayo, but I did not believe sa ilahang mga comments, because I believe in myself that kada tao dili man gud ta pareho og qualifications and experience sa ato ang the way ta ni achieve sa ato ang asa ta right now. So maybe anak ko dili to mi pareha og destination sa life. So I simply followed my instinct and my goal na ay kaya ko ni. Actually, hindi naman to nagdidepende sa agent or sa agency you have chosen. Actually, sa applicant, kini siya tanan. Kasi, ano na naman mo sa agency, nag-motivate nimo, ga-support nimo. If you will not also help yourself, then, maupo na siya ang maka-down ni applicant na ma-deny mo siya in the future. So, baby, dili lang ni siya fear nga financially, but fear po sa imong self nga wala kay believe sa imong self. That's all. Enlight made me feel more confident. Ako sometimes na ako'y gamay nga low self-esteem sa kay kanabang sa itong pagkabata nadala na to. But from time to time, overcome na ako na siya. And then, Enlight, who is very, kay ni sila, determined. Marabog, nakuan ko nila, kanaganing. What do you mean, what do you call that term? Natakdan ako sa Ilonggo pa na, natakdan or sorry, sa Cebu, ano ang natakdan? Kuan na siya, it's a motivation factor for me that if somebody pushes you and kanang mo pursue sa imong goal, it really can help you nga mo pursue instead nga mo surrender. There will be a time nga banana ko mo surrender, but there somehow naay gakuan ako nga natay paagi ani kanang mga klase sa kuan where siya proactive and passive lang sige ang una mo gusto. So especially mga teachers man good kami, we are not really into kanang have a time to find strategies and ways. We don't have time for that, because every day we are facing students, different students, paperwork, so we don't have time to find ways in order to gather documents, supporting documents, unsa pa mga requirements. Murag added ko na siya namo, added pressure and added ko na siya sa mga stress. So if Enlight made me feel confident, because they guided me step by step. So, answering all my queries and then respect also my choices. So, they were always available and supportive and made the whole process smooth and clear. Why I said this because clients manggod are so kulit. So, and there are times also when they want the answer right away. So, ang matabuan ni if the agent is not patient enough to answer it, and all the queries that gusto ni client, I think, chaotic ang resulta. So, mahitabuan ni siya, dili mo maka-arrive og right decision. So, actually, mo lang na siya kung may mo nga ma-appreciate kay Inlight because they were always there to understand their clients whatever or whenever they need them. So that's all. I was first worried about the cost before applying. Before meeting Inlight, I attended an orientation from other agencies too. Actually, wala gani ko na-orient Inlight. Diretso na lang gani sa papeles, nanami ka automatic. But, so, I already had an idea of how expensive the student visa process could be. So, that's why I carefully planned and managed my finances first. I prepared about 80% of what I needed. And then, Inlight supported me for the rest, especially in outsourcing and guidance, which really helped me push through. What I mean is, ganing si Inlight, they helped me feel that investment was really worth it because they guided me throughout and made sure my application was successful. So, I saw how organized and precise they were with the documents. So, you really can see where your money goes. And the result was my approved visa, of course, which proved that everything I invested was truly worth it. So, kung nato ni siyang binisayon pag yun, sometimes, dili ko nato kita nga applicant, we really don't must rely sa agency lang alone. You should have your part on this. Murag, actually, mostly naani siya sa ang pagpaningkamot, dili lang naton i-rely kay agencies. Agency is always there to advise. Agency is always there to guide you how you can outsource your money, your finances, but it should be on the applicant's side na po in order na mo makuha na niya. Kaya kung wala siya effort ni applicant, mag-unsa na lang si agent, magdugang mahanging nagyapon ang inyong process. So to make the story short, ma-move lang kita na ang process if only si applicant will also cooperate in regarding sa outsourcing. Okay, even though I'm from Negros and we never met in person or even through video call, only through chats and calls ra gud mi mag-communicate ni Inlight. So, I still trusted Inlight because they were always there to answer my doubts and queries. Bisan usahay, kung ito ninyo sila ang kuan, pangutana, nalagyan sila. Bisan ganit, hindi na kayo kupulay mo kuan, mangutana, grabe na kayo kumangutana. Kaya usahay, baka ng kapoy kisiswilahan, ayun, mo-insert pa akong visa, inana ba, sagol-sagol na tanan. Siyempre, as a teacher, mas stress gid si teacher. Even ang pag-arrange na sa ako ang text o chats, dili na gani polite. So, ma-realize ko lang after na. So, pero, answer sa ako agent, still polite ragyapon and kind. So, more na akong ganahan sa ila, ma-appreciate na ako that kind of values they are maintaining. So, I hope that they will always maintain that kind of attitude because it can really calm their clients because regardless sa inyong hangkuan gani, inyo siya dunaw-naon ang as kuan nga ang client is always your customer, diba? So wala man po ko gasaling ang customer ko, pero ako lang po nga I appreciate their patience in maintaining their good values in spite lang po sa attitude ni client nga dili po siya sometimes nato ma-avoid. And there's also one thing nga makatrust na ko nila because they also show sincerity sa ilang mga words and their determined to kuan sa mga problems like mga difficulties ni client. Because sometimes, before ko nag-commit sa ilaha, I try to ask also other agents who kept on or have been calling me to introduce their agency before ko ni-commit ni in life. What I have asked to them is about my course. What course can I take in New Zealand? Kay anak ko nga, I prefer to take this course. But other agencies will limit me to the courses they want me to take. So, anak ko, ganong i-limit mo po nila? I should have the right to choose. And then and their work as agent, dapat ilang ko pangitaan of ways in order to answer to support me. But what they did, sila pa'y nagbuot na ako, sila pa'y nagkuha na ako. Kana ganing murag nag-discourage na ako. So, I think that is not a good kanang kuha na to sa client ba nga. Imo siya i-discourage, should have give a freedom sa client ko usay ang gusto. Mangita paagi si agency. So, nalibog to ubang agency nga wala ko na po sila gipili kay nanawag ko sila nako. Ma'am, feedback nga wala man minimo gipili ma'am. Anong si kuan man ma'am? Inko nga mo na ang inyong diferensya kay inyo man butan ninyong kliyente. Inko dapat dili ninyo butan kay mo gani nang nakita na siya agency kay para mo kuaniya mangita og paagi niya inyo nung butan. So may tabo ma-discourage ninyo ang client. Also, hanap ko din siya. Thank you kayo ma'am sa imong feedback. So, mara ko na siya akong ma-share that that in life, show sincerity and support to their client and give also freedom nga maka-choose si client sa iyang gusto. My advice to those who hesitate because they think it's expensive to start in applying student visa, example. So, don't let fear or money stop you from following your dream. The cost might look big at first, but if you focus on your goal and trust God, everything will fall into place. So there will always be a way if you truly believe and take action. So be open to your agent, for example, then communicate your struggle honestly, and they will help you find solutions. So remember, it's not just about spending, it's about investing in your future. So, and I am a living proof that with the right guidance, faith, and determination, it's all possible.